channel. If you're new here, my name is Marianne. And I'll also be sharing to you my luxury makeup and body care products that I am enjoying currently. And I think that most of them I have used for a long period of time, keep on repurchasing it, so I think it's good. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video and let's get right into it. I only got one item from this bag. I think I went to DIOR and just got their highlighters because I love it so much. So I think I got the DIOR Skin Nude Air Luminizer. So it comes in this bag. And let me open it for you. Now for my second item, I got a bag from Malone. Here it is. Great, I love Malone. If you know me, I have my own sales associate there and I just restock it and keep on trying new products, and just like the scents they have are so heavenly and I highly recommend it. So yeah, we'll open the bag. This one first. This is just my favorite travel size perfume that they have, and I use it during the summertime, so it's just good to restock. As you know, this is my favorite. Then I have on my bag is this box right here. So I think at this time I got the travel size because when I'm traveling soon I want to be carrying body products that I enjoy and love the smell of. So yeah, it's nice to have them. So if you're thinking of traveling too, like it's nice to kind of have them. And so this actually, let me just do this. It came in this too. So these are my two favorites. Like it's a good combination. It's the lime, basil, and mandarin, and English pear and Freesia. Okay, now so for the last two items, I got them from New York only because they have better stuff in the flagship stores. So the best flagship store for Byredo is the one in SOHO. So they have amazing flagship store in there. So everything that you need, they got you. So here is the bag from Byredo. So look how nice it is. So first item that I got is one of my most favorite. I restock. So this is the Basil Byredo body lotion. It smells so divine, so amazing. And they also gave me, I think, like the pump. And they gave me two pumps. So that's great, thank you. Okay, so I think one thing about me, before buying the bigger perfume bottles, I always wanted to see what my options are, and I find that this usually the travel size option, I always like get them because I find that it's easy to travel with, first of all, and to put in your purse, and that way I can also see like how the smell is for my body, because everyone would have like different, you know, let's say pH, that's what they say, like pH to when it comes to like perfume. So it's good to try. So now this Byredo Sélection Nomade Eau de Parfum is amazing. Let me open it for you. So this is the box and this is the back. see the details. It's amazing. I love the small details, like it matters to me. So, wait, so here's how the box looks like. So I am missing the other perfume. I think it's in one of my purse, but it comes with the Bal de Freak, Blanche, and the Gypsy Water. So yeah, I think it's such a great size, and yeah, it's such an amazing scent. I love it so much. I am still currently looking for the No Name perfume bottle, so that is my next purchase for sure. So if anyone has it, let me know how you like it by leaving down in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Okay, great. So now for the last item is one of my favorites too. It's from LABO. Here you go. So yeah, so LABO is also one of my favorite brands. You can also get it in Toronto if you're here. They have the flagship store in Queen Street West, but this one I got from New York. So, but it's pretty similar what they all have, but here are the items that I got. So first of all, the first item is this conditioner. Oh, it smells so amazing. It's called Hinoki, and I cannot describe the scent, but I love it so much. Yeah, I'm just trying to see how like the smell is. Okay, so yeah, the smell of this is a little bit on the woody side, or woody scent, but still fresh. But yeah, it smells so good. This is a conditioner, guys, so, and it leaves your hair so smooth, and I love it. My most favorite product of all the LABOs is their body lotion. So this one is the Rose 31, and this is the bottle. It comes with a pump. It looks so beautiful. So here it is. I think that the first time that I encountered the LABO scent was when I got checked into from One Pacific Cream in Vancouver. So they have those shampoo, everything from shampoo to conditioner to body lotion, body wash, even like the bath salts, and I started loving it since. So now I said I want to take it home with me, and from there, like, it has been a staple in my wardrobe. So it really smells great. So next item that I got is the Discovery set. So as I've mentioned before, if you know me, I buy like this, you know, like Discovery sets, travel size. I love them, especially if you get to try like all the scents and see what really works best for you before going ahead and purchasing the big bottle. So this one is a Discovery set, and I think that it includes like all of the bestsellers from the LABO. So let me just open and show you guys. So it comes with a like the 5 scents they have. I think it's another 13 Santal, let me see, Rose, Bergamot, and let's see what I think then. Now, since I've tried all of them, actually I can already tell what I'm going to purchase. So I already know Rose 31 smells great, but I would want to try and buy the big perfume size of like the another 13. I love fresh scents, so that means, yeah, I'm going to purchase that, and I love the smell so much. It smells so good. Yeah, so if you're thinking, yeah, you can get this one first. It's worth it. Okay, so I got 4 shampoo and conditioner. I think this is a different scent. Like, I think the conditioner is Basil Avocado, and the shampoo is Basil Macadamia. I can already smell it just from here. It smells so good. Yeah, so if you guys are thinking, you can also purchase this and try them. Like, I think that it's such a nice you know, like, items to travel with. It's just amazing. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like and comment, as I had fun creating videos for you.